Hello everyone. Now worksheet 1 question 6 to 10. Question 6 is the average salary of 19 workers in a factory is 12,000 rupees per month. If the salary of the manager is 42,000 per month, find the average monthly salary paid to all employees. In all the employees, 19 workers and one manager is included. So it means there would be 20 employees. So the solution part, the average monthly salary of 19 workers is given as 12,000. So what would be the total monthly salary of 19 workers? This is the average salary of 19 worker, means one worker salary is 12,000. So 19 worker salary would be 12,000 multiply 19. So you will get this as a answer. Salary of a manager is rupees 42,000. So what would be the total monthly salary of 20 employees? Means 19 workers and one manager. So total salary would be these two, 2,28,000 plus 42,000. So you would be getting 2,70,000. Now the question is, you have to find out the average monthly salary of all the employees. So average means, what does average meaning? What is the meaning of the average? It means you have to find out the mean here. So mean, sum of salary of all the employees upon total number of employees. So 2,70,000 upon total number of employees are 20. So average salary of 20 employees would be 13,500 rupees. Question 7. In question 7, it is written the mean of 9 observation 32, 35. Later on, it was discovered that an observation 81 was misread as 18. Find the correct mean. Means कि वो 81 होना चाहिए था, but according to the question they have read it as 18. Instead of 81 they have read it 18. Now we have to find out the correct mean by taking 81 as one of the observation. So according to the question, mean of 9 observation 35. According to the question 35. So sum of all the 9 observation would be 35 multiply 9. So it would be 315. Since observation 81 was misread as 18, means 81 की जगह वो 18 पढ़ा गया. So what should be the correct sum? 315. It should be 18 added. So 315 plus 18, and this number should be deleted. This number should be deleted. So 315 plus 81, 81 होना चाहिए था और 18 नहीं होना चाहिए था. So 315 plus 81 minus 18. So after solving it, we will get it as 378. So correct mean means correct sum, that is 378 upon total number of observations. So total number of observations are 9 here. I think this question is clear to all of you. Now come to the 8th question. In 8th question, mean of 5 numbers is 27. If one number is excluded means you have to remove it, then their mean is 25. Find the excluded observation. Before it was 5 numbers, and if one number is excluded, then total number will become 4. So let's see the solution. Mean of 5 numbers 27. So total sum of 5 numbers would be 27 multiply 5. So it would be 135. So if one number is excluded, then the total number of observation would become, as I have told it right now, out of 5 you have to delete one number. So you have to exclude one number, means you have to remove one number. So it would become 4. And further it is written, then their mean is 25. So mean of 4 observation is 25. Therefore, total sum of 4 observation will be 25 multiply 4. So it would be 100. Now the question is, find the excluded observation. 5 numbers sum is 135 and 4 number sum is 100. So how many numbers we have observation we have excluded here? How many? So 5 numbers sum is 135 and 4 observation sum is 100. So the excluded observation which we have excluded would be 135 out of 5 numbers, that is sum is 135. We will subtract the sum of 4 numbers. So 135 minus 100, that would be 35. Question 9. In question 9, the mean of 8 number is 27. If one number is included, then the mean is 26. Find the included number. This question is same as question 8, but here it is included, not excluded. So included means you are adding one more number. So before it is 8 numbers. So if we will include one number, then it would become 9 numbers. So same way, mean of 8 number 27 according to the question. So total sum of 8 number would be 27 multiply 8. So it would be 216. Now if one number is included, then total numbers will become 8 plus 1. Since we are including, we are adding the number. So 8 plus 1, 9. So mean of 9 numbers, it is given as 26. Mean of 9 numbers as 26. So total sum of 9 observation, 26 multiply 9. So it would be 234. So what should be the included number? 9 observation sum minus 8 observation sum. So we will get it as 18 as included observation. Come to the last question of this worksheet. Question is, in a certain hospital, the mean birth rate of a week was 35. If the birth rate from Monday to Thursday was 32 and that of Thursday to Sunday was 36, find the number of birth on Thursday. Observe in this question, Monday to Thursday, here Thursday is coming and here also Thursday is coming as Thursday to Sunday. So Thursday is coming twice. Thursday is coming twice over here. So you have to keep this thing in mind. Now the solution part. Mean birth rate of a week 37. So total birth in a week, since they are talking about the week, so in week 7 days are there. So total birth in a week will be 35 multiply 7. So it would be 245. Now according to the next statement, mean birth rate from Monday to Thursday 32. Monday to Thursday, so how many days would be there? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday, means 4 days. So total birth from Monday to Thursday 32 multiply 4. So it would be 128. Similarly, according to the question, the mean birth rate from Thursday to Sunday 36. So mean birth rate from Thursday to Sunday is 36. Again here there are 4 days. Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. So total birth rate from Thursday to Sunday would be 36 multiply 4. It would be 144. Now the question is, we have to find out the number of birth on Thursday. So if we will add 245 and 144 together. 245 and 145 together. Sorry, 128 plus 144 together. Then the Thursday is coming twice. Thursday is coming twice. So 128 plus 144 minus 245, because 240 in a 245 Thursday is coming only once. So we have to delete one Thursday. So 128 plus 144 minus 245. So its answer would be 272 minus 245, so 27. Number of birth on Thursday would be 27. Why it is so? Because in this question, according to the statement, Thursday is coming twice, Monday to Thursday as well as Thursday to Sunday. So we have to delete one Thursday. And in this part, the mean birth rate of a week is 35. So in this case, in week, Thursday is coming only once. So we will add these two numbers together and subtract 245 to get the answer of Thursday. I hope all these questions are clear to all. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.